Hello again. This is just to show you using the Anycubic Next Slicer, which is different from the original Anycubic Slicer, how to turn on and off the purge tower and also turn on and off the brims, because I see a lot of people asking about it on social media. So if you go to the left hand side here, once you've loaded your model up, if you come down to where it says quality, strength, speed, support, and multi-material, this is where your prime tower is, so you can enable that or disable it. If you have it enabled, you can also flush it into objects, or you can flush it into object support, which is handy, and it can save on filament. I don't use the prime tower unless I'm doing multicolor prints. If you don't want to brim around your print, if you next to multi-material, if you click on others, you have skirt at the top, you have brim. It's always set to auto. If you want to switch it off, just click on no brim and that'll switch it off, so you'll have no brim around the print. So it's pretty simple to do. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and keep an eye out for my other videos.